Alright, so the Outlander broke down and we came to fix it. Hopefully it starts up. I think it's a starter that went out and it's a long time coming. That thing was gonna give out. I've been really neglecting the Outlander, even though this is technically my first car aside from buying the RX-8. So right here's the starter. Just disconnected that, and then we're gonna pop this out and take that 10mm out. Okay, we just took out the starter. I mean, doesn't look bad. Well, let's hope this is it. Thumbnail pic. Oh, here, let's put it next to each other, just for the thumbnail. Yeah. Cool, so I just tightened it, and then, well, I put it in there, and then he's tightening it. Okay, so yeah, don't hose me on it being super dirty. It's just a workhorse. Look at them headers, dude. I know it's leaking. This car really needs a tune-up, but I think it's around like 250,000 miles and still going strong without oil change. It is leaking oil. We do top it off. So let me know what you guys think, if I should like do some rebuild stuff on this engine. It's a Mitsubishi engine, so technically I'm not saying it's an Evo engine, but you know, they're in the same family tree. Cool.
Don't crank it, just like turn on the power.
Okay. Okay. So we connected everything should be good to go. Yeah, it turned on. So it was the starter. And just like that, guys, we were able to fix the issue, which was the starter.